Welcome to qnawire.
So we have a liquid A, and above that there's another liquid B, and we are told that when this situation occurs, then the critical angle is equal to 36.5 degrees. So from here we can actually say that the sine of theta C is equal to refractive index of B divided by refractive index of A, or in other words, sine of 36.5 degrees is equal to NB over NA. Now the second part says that the liquid B is removed, A still is there, and another liquid C is introduced, and now the critical angle in this case is equal to 47.8 degrees. So the critical angle has now changed to 47.0 degrees. So in this scenario, we can say that sine of theta critical would be equal to n of C divided by n of A. Or in other words, sine of 47.0 degrees is equal to the refractive index of C divided by the refractive index of A. Now, if you divide the refractive index of B by the refractive index NB over NA, you divide that by refractive index of NC divided by the refractive index of NA, that is equal to sine of 36.5 degrees divided by sine of 47.0 degrees. And you can eliminate NA and A from here. So that would give you the ratio between the refractive index of B and refractive index of C is equal to sine of 36.5 divided by sine of 47.0, which is equal to 0.318.